Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica, and today's video I'm going to be sharing 10 furniture flips in 10 minutes. So to redo this little mid-century modern style nightstand, it cost me a total of $12, and I listed it and sold it on Facebook Marketplace for $50. So I spent a total of $35 to buy and redo this dresser, and I listed it and sold it on Facebook Marketplace for $250. It cost me a total of $15 to buy and redo this desk, and I listed it and sold it on Facebook Marketplace for $65. I got this end table for free and it cost me about $5 to redo it, and I sold it for $40. It cost me a total of $65 to buy and redo this dresser, and I sold it for $200. It cost me a total of $30 to buy and redo this dresser, and I sold it for $130. I got this nightstand for free, and I spent about $5 to redo it, and I sold it for $40. Cost me a total of $53 to buy and redo this dresser, and I sold it for $225. cost me a total of $74 to buy and redo this dresser and nightstand, and I have it listed for $300. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in a later video.